Hey, ain't even worth mentioning. Slap a nigga, make a nigga swallow teeth. I don't give a fuck, I'm a rip. Montgomery, Alabama, bitch. I'm about to move to Texas, still up on the same shit, but I ain't robbing niggas. No, ain't down the head licks, but I ain't gonna lie, if I see it, I might hit it.
Why you getting this? Yeah, I'm still licking bricks.
Yeah, I'm in this. Yeah, it's 20 bucks up because I'm about that. Yeah, just right yeah, in the mall. Yeah, it's South Carolina, got my back, I'm in there. Yeah, them niggas keep it ever do we in there. Yeah, them niggas got them ever do we gonna drink it. Yeah, we gonna fucking think it. If we got fucking bread, yeah, we gonna fucking bank it.
Everywhere you go, you see the wet both sides out, cause we quit to leave a nigga looking down in the south, nigga. Straight red homeboy, throw it up the sea. Don't forget the block park, understand me. Coming down to the thing, think you flossing. With the girls in your homeboy, straight flossing. That's the girl say when she see you on a 22, spinning out, talking about, ooh, bitch, they move. No, they don't. Sit on the side, homeboy, all I do is walk through and say, damn, that nigga else kinda cute.
Yeah, that nigga say,
I need some give it, have it up. I need some give it, why we gotta rather get
it's all about me and my boys, you know we all about having fun. You know I'm with the bun, nigga pass the weed. I worry about a nigga, I love to talk about TV. Nigga talking about a nigga, where we represent. Nigga talking shit, but nigga, who you represent? Nigga in Alabama, nigga sit back and ride. Because the nigga talking about nigga doesn't hide. I got the 2 o'clock, ain't nigga about the bus. Nigga finna ride in the bus.
I remember back in the day, yeah, we really got a bitch, nigga, we jump in the car, yeah, we went to the rich, nigga, ride down 65, yeah, we trippin' live, we drinking beers now, yeah, we rollin' pine, yeah, we got our mind, that nigga so high, we went to the door, yeah, the club is mine, I paid $5, I got something to swallow, I put the bitch in the club, holler at tomorrow, back in the day, brother, case, in the way, that nigga went over 3 mailboxes, he ain't care, he went up to the road and the nigga was in the bell, that nigga on that morning, nigga was so it's so big, I'm gonna my boy here, nigga, that's my boy real shit, that real shit. ASU is king and we doing anything we want. We move to Tuscaloosa, I think we don't. All over Alabama, niggas well known this bitch. Go to Jacksonville and Florida, niggas straight to the tree. Got that red homeboy on the block. Like we just gonna and I said, y'all leave that shit on base. They like, I don't forget all this out of Tennessee. Shout out to Ball this season. I'm ready to hold on like this. Let's talk. We got. Come on.